Hi, Jason from Metra Electronics. I'd like to talk to you about some of the Saddle Tramp accessories that we've got coming into the line this year. Saddle Tramp is a line that has exploded over the last couple years. And what Metra Electronics has done this year with its product development team is really going to take it to that next level, that next step. So today I've got just a couple accessories laid out on the table that we're going to go over, talk about a little bit of the features, the benefits, and how it can help accent the things that your customer wants accented on their motorcycle. So let's get started. The first part I'd like to tell you about is a part that we've developed for the slingshot, for the 18 and up slingshot. And really what this is just a power harness. Plug it in, you've got constant, accessory, and ground already pre-wired. It's a factory style plug. It'll make any kind of integration into a slingshot just a little bit easier. Now, everybody likes logos, and Saddle Tramp logo is just one more accessory that we've added into the line. This is a metal logo. It's etched with the Saddle Tramp colors, and it can be used as an accessory, whether it's for a toolbox, maybe a motorcycle, gas tank, or a lower fairing, saddlebags, wherever you think that a Saddle Tramp logo would fit well on your motorcycle. So now we're going to move into some of the lighting accessories that we have in the Saddle Tramp line. First part number is BC-STS1, and these are kind of a universal application sequential turn signals. Comes in a nice Saddle Tramp 4-color poly bag. It can be hung so it'll look great on hanging on slat wall. The turn signals are ABS plastic. They've got a bolt with wire coming through the actual shaft of the bolt, and they can be wired up to the existing turn signals on the motorcycle. And you can see once power is supplied to them, they're automatically sequential. So you can power those up with your turn signals, and they'll make a great small addition to your motorcycle, maybe golf cart, any other utility vehicle that might require a turn signal. The next ones I'd like to tell you about are the BC-STS3. And these are very small 3-inch sequential turn signal style lights. Again, we'll just throw some power on these things. And again, once you have 12 volts applied to them, they manage the sequential sequence all by themselves. So great small additions that can really accent your customer's vehicle. Now the next part is part number BC-LBFL, and this is just a single fog or running light for your motorcycle. It's got a mount here for roll bar. The roll bar size is anywhere between 1 inch and 1/8, all the way down to 3/4 of an inch. Comes with about 16 inches of power wire, and in order to get this operating, throw power and ground to it, and you can see it's going to have a nice beam. It's got a unique, sleek look. And it'll be a great addition to accenting your motorcycle and improving your visibility at night. It's a great little piece. Now the last lighting accessory in this group of products on the table is part number BC-LPBST. This is a 7-inch flexible LED strip with 3M adhesive backing on it. This would be great for mounting maybe above or below a license plate, maybe along the bottom skirt of the fender, the rear fender, to help improve driver safety. There are 5 control wires on here, 5 wires, coming off of this LED. Those wires and the colors, their functions, are listed on the back of the poly bag. So we're going to throw in ground wire here, which is black. Our red wire is going to be our brake. White wire will be a running light, a little bit less intensity on the red. Green will be our turn signal, and yellow will be our other turn signal. So you can wire this up freely inside your motorcycle, again, golf cart, scooter, whatever place that you see a value in installing this piece. Because it's relatively low profile, it's sealed ends, it's not going to get water inside of it. Once you clean the area really well and adhere this strip to wherever you're mounting it, it's not going to come off. It's got that 3M backing tape. As most of you know, the motorcycle industry, the motorcycle following is absolutely huge. So if you find that you're a 12-volt installation company, you mainly focus on car audio, you may want to start reaching out into the motorcycle market. With the Saddle Tramp line and Metra behind you, we have the accessories, the plug-and-play harnesses, the DSPs and the interfaces that you're going to need to make the installations on motorcycles, and specifically a large focus on Harley-Davidson. We're going to make that incredibly easy for you. And like I said, you've got Metra backing it. So if you'd like more information, visit metraonline.com and view our entire Saddle Tramp catalog.